Hi guys, this is Chef Deborah, and today we are not baking. I want to teach you some different dish, and today we are making a sisig bangus or bangus sisig. So bangus or milk peas is the national peas of the Philippines. So I want to give you some very nice recipe that you will love it. And you know, this is a very nice because this is different from baking. So I hope you like this recipe. I don't know if you like to eat fish, but some are vegetarian and not eating any meat. So they only eating fish and vegetable, and this is very good for you. This recipe. Guys, making this recipe is very risky for me. You know, because I got oil burn in my arm. Really, it's painful, you know, until now. Until now, it's here. See? I want to show you this one. Because of oil burn, yeah? See? In my arm, you can see. So, come on, guys. Let's start now making this sisig bangus. And this is one of the popular dish in the Philippines. So, I want you to try this. And I know you will love it. Try to make it in your home, whatever nationality you are. If you have a piece at home, milk peas, try to make like this recipe. So come on, let's go to my kitchen and let's start cooking now. So I have 3 pieces of bangus or milk peas here. So we need to clean first. You know guys, cleaning of the peas is the most challenging part of this recipe. You can do it, I know. It's very easy. But you need to be patient. Really. Because if you want to eat the delicious food, you need to work harder to get it. Now, I will divide the piece into 4. Sorry, my knife is little bit dull. It's not sharp. So, it's so hard for me to cut it. After cutting, of course, you need to wash again the fish and then ready for frying. Sorry, my frying pan is little bit old. It's older, you know. That's why. And then I put some oil and let it reach the high temperature before you put the fish. Always be careful when putting the fish because maybe the oil will come into your face or your arms. That's why I'm there in the other side when I'm putting the fish in the frying pan. Now it's time to turn the side of the fish because the other side is already cooked. Be careful in turning the fish, because it's the oil. I have some oil burn in my arm because of this. Now the piece is ready, so we need to remove the piece from the bone. So you remove the bone. So this is after I remove the piece bone. Now we need 100 grams of minced ginger, 3 pieces of chopped onion, 2 lemon juice, 6 pieces of chopped green chili, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 250 grams of mayonnaise. And this mayonnaise is already had a pepper inside. So if you don't have a mayonnaise with pepper, you need to add half teaspoon of black pepper. For the procedure, you just mix all together. It's very easy. Put all together the ingredients. And then mix it properly and evenly distributed the mayonnaise. This procedure is very easy. The mixing procedure. Only the hard part is the cleaning part of the fish. Now it's ready. We'll have now a sisig bangus. You can serve this with the rice, of course, and you can also put in a sizzling plate, and you can put egg on top. It's very delicious. This is very nice recipe, really. Try it and you will know how delicious it is. This is a milk fish. And guys, like and share this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, of course, and follow me in Instagram and Facebook page. And of course, click the bell so that you will notify if I upload a new videos. I'm not only for baking, so I have also a knowledge and ideas to teach you how to make and how to prepare any kind of food. And of course, you can learn something from me also in my Q&A portion. Q&A with Chef Deborah. So I share some ideas and tips for you. Hope you learn something from me and you always enjoy my recipe when you try it to make it in your home. If you are happy, of course I'm also happy. That's why I always share my recipe for you. And again, this is Chef Deborah. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy cooking with me.